Are you fixing your credit or helping others fix their credit? You found the right place. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and I have put together this entire credit repair secrets guide and playlist for you guys to learn what all of the other gurus are trying to gatekeep. I am exposing every last method out there. If not, if there's some left, please forgive me, but I have put my thinking cap on to expose every method there is to repair credit. Now, with that being said, this is just an overview of the table of contents that I have inside of this credit secrets guide. I mean, I'm giving you how everyone is doing these credit sweeps, which I don't recommend, but that's what people are doing to get those crazy fast results, because you kind of have to ask yourself, if someone's truly getting results this quickly, how are they doing it, right? There's only a few things and few ways that would get something removed off your credit report so quickly, and that's identity theft and trafficking. So a lot of people have, just kind of, I would say, lived a little on the edge and went those routes to get their clients' results. Not recommended whatsoever unless someone truly, does apply to them. But I'm giving you the game from everything from how to deal with things properly, and sometimes it's best just to pay things, to be honest with you, settle. How to go through arbitration, because at the end of the day, once you have sent so many disputes in and you're not getting anywhere, you do have to proceed with some form of litigation, whether that's arbitration or whether you hire a consumer attorney to see if you have a case or to see if they can proceed with litigation with the credit bureaus. There are tons of options out there. Me personally, I highly recommend arbitration. The filing fees are generally less than $250, and generally speaking, the credit bureaus are going to want to just clear things up before you guys even get to arbitration. So it's a way to grab their attention, make them pay attention, and of course, you want to build your case up against them, so that way you have all of the proof, everything you've sent them, everything they have sent you, so on and so forth. There's just a ton of information inside of this guide that is really important for you to learn, get familiarized with, especially if you're going to be working on your own credit or even helping others fix their credit. Maybe you plan to help people in the future. You're going to be your first client. I know that's how it was with me as well. And then you take the time to learn before you earn. Very much applauded to you. I appreciate that so much, guys, because it's so important to learn this information before you just jump in and start helping other people, because in 2026, a lot has changed. It is no longer 2015 where these credit sweeps and identity theft sweeps and things like that are easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It is not that type of party anymore, guys. It is very challenging to get accurate things removed from your credit report, because at the end of the day, if that does truly belong to you, it is accurate, right? So what we all have to realize is this, if it does get removed from your credit, take this as a fresh new start and learn from that lesson. You can't just be in that same cycle where you're constantly trying to fix credit, trying to fix your credit. No, you want to maintain good credit over time, so that way eventually you'll be able to qualify for anything that you need, okay? Because getting an 800 credit score is more than just trade lines. It's showing your ability to pay on time over time, 5, 6, 7, 8 years worth of on-time payments, instead of trying to find the next big quick hack, quick fix, quick funding trick. You don't want to be worried about that. You want to leverage credit for the tool that it is and make sure that you have a healthy relationship with it long term. You don't need to invest crazy amounts of money into your credit, because every time you get loans and credit cards, you to try to ditch them. You know, that's not the mindset we want to have, guys. We want to have long-term success mindset, and with that mindset, you know, a healthy relationship with credit, an understanding of what it can do for you. You know, I can buy a house with this. I can acquire property. I can eventually pay that house off and leave it to my family. So that way we are building assets. I can help my family acquire property at a young age, because a lot of people aren't taught the power of credit. They are just taught credit cards, and then they mess that up, go south, and we're not looking at the bigger picture here. So that's what it's all about, guys. Looking at that bigger picture and understanding what this tool can do for you and your family if used properly, right? Tools can also harm people. So you got to decide which side you're going to be on. Okay. Let's leverage credit. Let's use it what it's best for. And that is acquiring assets. All right. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you are new here, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Get the guide, comment the word guide, and I will send you this guide. Check in below in the comments. Let me know you're here, and please watch the entire playlist of this credit repair secrets. I'm sure you will learn a lot, okay, especially if you are new to credit. And with any questions or follow-up videos that you guys might have, let me know. I'm happy to take on your request. I'll see you next time.